How's it going, everyone? Making another video about an air compressor out of all things. So you have that hissing sound out of your air dryer, and it just keeps blowing off, and then it blows up, and it goes like tick, 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 tick. Or your air compressor is not pumping air. The unloader kit. This is a Bendix 2-Flow 550. And it has what's called an unloader kit. And that's these little things right here. And they inside the compressor. And if they stuck, your compressor's not going to be pumping. And if they leaking, you're going to get that hissing sound. That's the part. It's like $20. And this is a Mack E7. But most of your Caterpillars, your Detroits, they all have the same air compressor. So, see this plate right here? Made a gasket for it. I mean, wow. So, on this truck, I had to unbolt the filler neck, but basically what you do, you unbolt that plate from over there, and then you take this guy. You see him right there? Take this guy, and that's it. So then, you put the new one in, you put the new gasket, you put the plate back on it, you tighten it, and now your compressor's pumping. If you're on the side of the road and it's cold, and your air compressor released yesterday or maybe even today, and your compressor just stopped pumping, it's possible that the unloader has lots of carbon in it. And sometimes if you're roadside, you just put some WD-40 in these holes right here, and make sure this guy right there is moving. Because if this guy is not moving, then you're not pumping. And then again, if this is leaking in here as it is, these O-rings are so worn out, that thing is just flopping in there. That's that hissing sound out of the air dryer. Now, the previous mechanic on this truck replaced the air dryer, the line, the governor, all of that. And none of that fixed that hissing sound, because that's leaking, and the air dryer can't hold the pressure. And it just goes. So that's what that is. 2-Flow 550. That's the part number. You can get it anywhere, and it's $20 or $30. I recommend having this on your truck, owner operators. Peace.